So before you get too annoyed the next time you get the hiccups, just be thankful you aren't Charles Osborne. Because he had the hiccups for 68 years. You heard that right. Years. In fact, he holds the Guinness World Record for the longest case of hiccups and has since 1990. That's an estimated 430 million hiccups in his lifetime. Yikes! So be thankful that the hiccups typically only last for a few minutes and go away on their own. Sure, we might let out a handful of silly-sounding hicks, but then the diaphragm returns to a more normalized and rhythmic contract and relaxed pattern. And, the hiccups are gone.